Welcome everyone to lesson 3 of Apprentice II. In this lesson, you are going to learn your third rhythm. Alright then, let's begin. You have already learned about half notes, half rests, whole rests, quarter notes, and quarter rests. But let's talk about another rhythm, the eighth note. This is an eighth note. It is a circle with a flag added to the line. Often, when playing eighth notes, they usually come in pairs and then they are grouped together like this. As you can see, the flag on both the notes is turned into one line. Eighth notes are double the speed of quarter notes, meaning that you should play them twice as fast as quarter notes. This is an eighth rest. It is a small circle with a slanted line, about 45 degrees. An eighth rest means that you should not play for half the length of a quarter rest. For example, 2 eighth rests make a quarter rest. 4 eighth rests make up a half rest. Let's see how they work. This is how you should play an eighth note. Remember, eighth notes are double the speed of quarter notes. Sometimes you may see more than one eighth note, and then they are grouped together like this. Let me show you one more example of what I mean. This is how you should play an eighth rest. Feel free to pause the video and practice the examples on the screen. Look at your printable or on the screen. I want you to try and repeat what I play. First, listen to me play, and when you see the note appearing on the screen, try to play it when the line touches the note. Let's begin. Now that you have learned your third rhythm, let's play a song, Ode to Joy. Look at your printable sheet. I would recommend you download and print this printable, which I've mentioned in the description box below, as this song is too large to fit on the screen. Let's start by practicing phrase 1. First, try to notice the notes you see and label them on your printable. Next, try to play them slowly. I would recommend that you play the right hand first, then the left hand, and then both hands at once. Once you have tried to play them, let me show you a demonstration. Let's start with the right hand. Now the left hand. Now let's play both hands at once. Let's play this 3 times in total. Let's play it again. And now let's play it one more time. Now let's practice phrase 2. The first part is exactly what you played before in phrase 1. But the ending is different. Try to label the notes you see and play them on your keyboard. I would recommend that you play the right hand first, then the left hand, and then both hands at once. Once you have tried to play them, let me show you a demonstration. Let's start with the right hand. Now with the left hand. Now let's play with both hands together 3 times. Let's play it again. Now let's play it one more time. Now let's practice phrase 3. First, try to notice the notes you see and label them on your printable. Next, try to play them slowly. I would recommend that you play the right hand first, then the left hand, and then both hands at once. Once you have tried to play them, let me show you a demonstration. First with the right hand. Now with the left hand. Now with both hands together. Let's play it 3 times. Let's play it one more time. And one last time. Now let's practice the ending. The ending is exactly like phrase 2, but let's play it again. Let's play it 3 times. Let's play it again. Let's play it one last time. Now let's play them all together. When you see the note appearing on the screen, play it when the line touches the note. Let's begin. Well done, you have played Ode to Joy. Congratulations, you have completed Apprentice II and learned some new skills. You learned rhythms 1, 2, and 3, your first 5 notes with your left hand, and intervals. If you ever get confused, take some time to practice the songs in the playlist, which I've linked in the description box below. If you're in the present time, the songs will come up shortly, but if you're from the future, click the playlist card above or in the link in the description below. Remember, if you have finished this whole course, you can start playing the songs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and please click the like button at the end of this video. It really helps me a lot. And also, I am going to launch the quick keyboard tutorials very soon, so please stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Okay, if you're ready for Apprentice 3 Lesson 1, click here now.